To find the inverse of a matrix, we have a process that we follow. And there's actually a nice trick for 2x2 matrices, which I will go ahead and show you. So if you have a 2x2 matrix, we'll write it like this: A, B, C, D. Okay, whatever those numbers are, it does not matter. If this is your matrix A, then its inverse is, we have a number out in front, 1 over AD minus BC times the new matrix. And our new matrix is we flip the order of A and D, and we flip the sign on B and C. So that's just a quick formula that you can use to find the inverse of a matrix, of a 2x2 matrix. Okay. Now note that this is just some number out in front, so you can multiply it in and put it with each of those numbers. But it only works if A times D minus B times C is not 0. If it is 0, then we know that the matrix A does not have an inverse. It is not invertible. Let's go ahead and use this formula for this matrix A. We know A, B, C, and D. So our inverse, we have 1 over AD minus BC. Okay, we've just plugged in AD minus BC times, and then we put DA, we flip the main diagonal, so negative 3, 1, and then we flip the sign on these two numbers. So instead of negative 2, I have a positive 2. Instead of a positive 2, I have a negative 2. And then we can simplify. Well, this is a negative 3 plus 4, which is 1. That's pretty cool because, well, 1 over 1 is just 1, so nothing actually changes there. 1 times the matrix is still that matrix. So this here is our inverse matrix. This is the inverse of that matrix.